Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send a card transfer on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or the version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're here, you will either go to the Revolut app or the website if it is available in your country. And what you will do is log in, of course, with your credentials, and then you will go to the payment section, and then you will see card transfer once you click payments, and then go ahead and click that, and then you will enter your recipient's card details, enter amount, and an optional note. And then after that, you will tap send, and then you will confirm via PIN or biometric. And after all that, the transfer will be completed and you will check the transaction history. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.